Hello friends, I am Malini from beadsofling.com. Today we are going to learn to make this beautiful cute owl earring. They are very trendy and quirky and they are apt for daily wear. You can easily make them in your home. So let's start. Firstly, we will need for this project 3 mm quilling paper in 3 colors: green, red and black. We will also need stencil with round shapes like this, white glue, a quilling tool, flat nose pliers, 2 fish hooks and 2 5 mm jumprings in silver color. For the body of the owl, we will need 4 full length strips of cream color. They should be joined together with glue like this from end to end. I'll need a small amount of glue. The glue amount should be very small, otherwise it will mess your project. They are joined like this, so I will join 4 strips like this. I have joined 4 quilling strips together to get this really long strip. This is 4 strips joined together. Now I will roll this with the help of the quilling tool. Like this I will roll the 4 strips together. I have rolled the 4 strips into a tight coil. Now I will secure the end with a small amount of glue. So our base is ready and I will smooth it out with the quilling tool using as a rolling pin. So our base or body of the owl is ready. For each eye of the owl we will need 1/4 strip of black, cream and red color joined together. I have joined the 3 strips together. Now I will roll them into a tight coil to get one eye of the owl. With the help of the quilling tool, I am rolling this. So our owl's eye will have 3 colors. Now my rolling is almost completed. I will secure the end with a small amount of glue. So this is one eye of the owl. I will smooth the surface like this and one eye is ready. Like this I have to make another eye. Now my 2 eyes are ready. Now for the eyebrows I will take 1/4 red strip and will roll it with the quilling tool. I have to make a loose coil with this 1/4 strip. The coil diameter should be 6 mm. For that I will take help from my stencil. Here you can see 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 circles are there and I will take the help of 6 mm circle. So I will slowly release it here and it will take the shape of 6 mm. See? Now I will take it and secure it with a small amount of glue So my loose coil is 6 mm in diameter. Now I will give it a shape of the eyebrow. For the eyebrow shape, I will need a S shape. For that, I will push it like this, and it will take a S shape. It is very small, so handle it carefully. S shape. This is the eyebrow. One eyebrow is ready. Our two eyebrows are ready. Both are S shaped. Now I will take 1/4 strip of red and I will make the wings. Again I will take the quilling tool and I will roll it. This time we will need a 7 mm loose coil. So firstly I am rolling it. The rolling is completed. Then with the help of my stencil, here is the 7 mm circle. I will release the coil here in the 7 mm circle. Now I will secure the end with glue. And here our 7 mm circle is ready. Now we will shape it like a wing. So for that we will pinch one side and make a comma shape. It will make one wing. Our wing is ready. Similarly I will make another wing. For the beak, I have taken 1/8 strip of black color quilling strip and made a 4 mm loose coil like before. Now I will shape the beak like this. I will pinch it from one side and here our beak is ready. The beak is ready now. We have all our shapes ready. The wings, the eyebrows, as well as the eyes. Now we will arrange them on our base which we had made earlier. First we will attach the eyebrows. I have attached already one eyebrow. Now we will attach the second eyebrow like this. I have already applied glue beneath it and the eyebrows are attached. I have already attached one eye and I will attach the next eye here and position it properly just beneath the curve of the S-shaped eyebrow. Here the eyes are attached. Now I will attach the beak just at the middle of both the eyes. Here is the beak attached with glue just at the middle. I have already attached one wing at the side of the base. I will attach another wing like this with the help of a small amount of glue. So two wings are attached. Our earring is almost completed. Only we have to attach the hook. For that we need one tight coil of cream color. I have taken 1/4 cream strip for a small tight coil. I will roll it with our quilling tool like this, and we will attach it with our owl to attach the hook. We have our tight coil ready. Now we will attach it with our base like this to finally attach the hook. So we will take a small amount of glue and we will attach it like this. at the middle point. After drying the owl completely, I have attached the jumpring and I will attach one fish hook with it, and I will close the mouth of the jumpring with the help of the flat nose pliers like this. So we have our owl earring ready here. I have already made another earring. These are very cute and apt for daily wear.